He has just given a talk about Spock. His name is Marcin. Hello, Marcin.
Hello,
How are you?
thanks, I'm fine.
Okay. In your talk, you were talking about this TDD with Spock. Why using this framework for this? For this clean code thing and this stuff.
Yes, I've been developing software for years, but at some point I noticed that I'm not satisfied with the way how it is created. And I started to looking for the solutions which would allow me to create maintainable and readable code. It pointed me to software craftsmanship and the techniques related to automatic code testing. I started to use it at my work, and it proved to be so useful that I decided to share this knowledge with others, so everyone could benefit. And I'm a big fan of test-driven development, and I use it on a daily basis. And the situation when I encountered Spock was another important thing, another thing in my technical life, because Spock makes writing tests even easier. And on the surface, the specification is very compact, is very readable and maintainable. But there are hidden nooks and crannies in Spock, which allow advanced user to get even more from Spock. And together it composes very well with test-driven development and allows to create reliable software which is guided by tests, and usually it has clean design.
Good reasons. You're really concerned about this software craftsmanship thing. You have like many concerns. You've just talked to me before the interview. You tend to write them in a blog you have, right? Is it like can you tell us about this blog to the audience?
Yes, it was many years ago. I'm not very social person, but I've been heavily involved in open source project development, and I needed a place to write about my projects so other people could be aware of cool stuff I'm creating. So my solid soft working code is not enough blog emerged. And I'm specialized in automatic testing and things related to code quality in general. So it's the most common topic on my blog. I write about tools, extensions like mutation testing with PyTest or Java 8 module for Mockito, but also about techniques and mechanisms in Spock which could make your tests even more maintainable and readable. In addition, I'm an enthusiast of widely defined concurrency and parallelism, so topics related to RxJava or reactive computing are also common. I have to mention that I'm also a big fan of continuous delivery, and I do it on a daily basis. And in addition, I try to promote it in open source community. For example, recently I created a proposal for automatic releasing to Maven Central from Travis for Spock to shorten the time which is required to make your pull request merge to master, and that feature after a few minutes would be available in the newly created released Spock version from Maven Central. So what in my opinion would help to improve the number of contributors to Spock in general.
Also, you have done the call for papers for next year. You have a talk for next year then.
Not yet, but yes, I plan to talk about that once successful.
Okay, so many thanks and good luck with this project, and yeah, see you around the conference.
Thank you for the interview.